Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and it's Wednesday review day. And I have Natrogix um, vitamin, and it's K2 and D3. D3, I was lacking D3 because this is when you go out into the sun and you get your vitamins and all of that. And it's sunlight, it's mostly in a bottle. But K2, okay, now K2 is your leafy green vegetables. And look, it's K1 and K2 is your meats and proteins, your eggs and things like that, fish, things like that. So I got this, and it says that it's FDA approved, it's GMP approved, and it has. I'm gonna have to get my magnifying glass here. It's a 2-in-1 formula. Naturally promotes bone strength, and then it has maintains overall health, and then it supports blood vessels. So it keeps the blood vessels going. So let's open it. Let's look at it. This is a big bottle too. At least the pills out there. And those are the white pills. This is the bottle here. And I'm liking it. It's a perfect combination. Vitamin K2. So I'm liking it. So if you like this, leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I will talk to you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.